Well, in case you're wondering where I've been, I got a new toy again. I do have my other toys. And my car and my little four-wheeler. But this is my newest toy. Finally got the kind of tractor I want. It's actually an old backhoe. As you can see, it's got a huge concrete weight, chains. I got a spare tire for it over there, because this one's kind of shot. As you can see, it works. I've been doing a little bit of, having a little fun with her. Got to clear all this back here anyways. She's a John Deere or something. I don't know what. She's old. I know that. 60's probably. But I got a little bit of work done on the driveway here. Soon I'll have this whole thing done, hopefully. Because she's pretty bumpy.